Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Ford Maverick. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. The Ford Maverick is a compact pickup that blends versatility and efficiency. Inside, it packs modern comfort and connectivity that makes the truck useful for everything from errands to weekend projects. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.